It can be difficult to generate sales, if not impossible to generate any sales at all, for a new product, without having some reviews and comments. Sometimes you'll have to pay to get the first reviews, and get the first sales. Positive reviews will boost your sales. Indeed, Amazon's algorithm places the best reviewed products at the top of the search results. The positive reviews will in turn generate new positive reviews. You simply have to start the machine to get your first reviews. Your ranking will automatically improve. For 97% of Amazon buyers, product reviews and opinions influence their purchasing decisions. 31% of buyers are willing to pay more for a product with positive reviews. Shoppers who search for a product on Amazon make a decision based on price, but also on the number of reviews. Indeed, for a customer, the more reviews there are, the more buyers there are. And if the product sells well, they can buy the product with confidence. My name is Richard and you are on my AMZ Seller Tools channel, where I share with you my experience on Amazon FBA, so that you too can start your own business and start making money fast. For new channels have been added to my AMZ Seller Tools channel. Today my videos are available in 5 languages: French, American, Spanish, Italian, and German. You can find my foreign language videos in the channels tab. Don't forget to subscribe to be informed of the release of my next videos, and to share this capsule to help me develop my channel. See you right after this.
A lot of soul.
Scammers are everywhere, including Amazon. Reviews can make or break your reputation and business on Amazon's platform. Hi, my name is Marjorie. In this chapter, I'm going to introduce you to 2 types of fake reviews. First of all, we are going to focus on false positive reviews. This is a dishonest practice, which consists in writing false positive reviews to praise one's product. It can be false positive reviews written by family members, friends or employees of the seller. Since you are never better served than by yourself, some sellers create a separate Amazon account to write positive reviews for their products. However, false positive reviews generate negative reviews. Because buyers who have believed in a positive review will feel disappointed and frustrated, and will write negative reviews to express their anger. These negative reviews will then have a negative impact on the sales of the product. Amazon has a zero-tolerance policy towards such positive review fraud. Amazon can immediately suspend the accounts of fraudulent sellers and withhold the funds it holds belonging to these unscrupulous sellers. There are also fake negative reviews and fake negative comments. Fake negative reviews are reviews written by dishonest competitors who want to denigrate your product. Unfortunately, buyers will not know the difference between real and fake reviews and comments. The sales of the product will then drop, and the ranking in the search results will quickly deteriorate. We then enter a downward spiral. Because if the ranking deteriorates, the number of sales decreases, and if the number of sales decreases, the ranking deteriorates in turn.
A few years ago, we didn't hesitate to ask family and friends to leave positive reviews and comments on our product listing. We could also use Facebook review groups or offer a coupon or free products in exchange for a review. But today these techniques are not approved by Amazon. These techniques are really not recommended. We are going to show you 5 ways to get reviews while respecting Amazon's rules.
To reduce the risk of getting a negative review, you should write a clear and concise product description. You must write your product description honestly. The description must describe exactly the product that the customer will receive. A disappointed customer who receives a different product than the one described in the listing will be disappointed and will write a negative review or comment to express his frustration. This negative review, due to a misleading description, will have an immediate impact on your conversion rate. By sublimating a product, you will lose many sales.
The automatic email sent by Amazon post-order have nothing human about them. Many customers ignore them and delete them from their email. You have to write personalized emails for each customer. You probably think that writing all those emails is going to take you a lot of time? With Helium 10's follow-up tool, you'll find the balance between personalization and automation in this user-friendly interface. You can automate the sending of emails. You can manage workflows, automatically triggered by events, such as the shipment of your order, the delivery of your product, but also the return of a product, or the refund of a customer. You will be able to create custom emails, or choose from email templates written by the best Amazon experts. With the follow-up tool, you can easily increase the number of reviews on your products by automating the follow-up email template. Your conversion rate will increase according to the number of reviews you get. Beware that these emails should not solicit a positive review. The customer should be asked for an honest review of the product, so as not to violate Amazon's guidelines. Helium's follow-up tool is an effective tool to create a great customer experience and get a lot of reviews and comments quickly. I draw your attention to the fact that you can find in the description of this video a link to the Helium 10 page and its discount codes.
You can get new reviews thanks to a thank you card. This is a simple card about the size of a business card that is added to the product in the product packaging. This card first thanks the customer for his purchase, then you invite him to leave a review to know if he appreciated the product. Please note that it is strictly forbidden by Amazon to ask for a positive review. However, you can use neutral language, without any promises, to encourage the customer to leave a review.
You can include an offer to purchase a free or low-cost warranty online in the product packaging. The customer will then have to give you their contact information to activate the warranty. As a seller, you can then contact the customer, since you will have their physical and digital address, to ask them to leave a review and a comment on Amazon.
We will now look at the programs that Amazon offers to get customer reviews. First of all, it is important to know that the Amazon Early Reviewer program does not exist anymore since April 25, 2021. To subscribe to this program, sellers had to pay $60. Amazon then offered to the buyers of the product a $3 gift card in exchange for their review. Amazon would label the product in question as Early Reviewer Rewards. But Amazon has launched, since the years 2019 and 2020, 4 new programs to help sellers get more reviews.
First of all, here is the One-Tap Reviews program. This is a new program launched by Amazon a few months ago. After the sale of your product, Amazon will ask the customer to rate with stars your product, without leaving a comment. Amazon will ask customers to leave a rating through notifications if the Amazon application has been installed on the cell phone. Similarly, consumers who have Alexa enabled on any of their devices will receive a notification that they have a message waiting. This particular message will ask them to rate the product they just purchased. This one-step method allows customers who are in a hurry or don't have the patience to write a review to provide a review by simply selecting a number out of 5 stars.
Now comes the Global Review Sharing Program. Amazon has set up this program for sellers who sell their products on several of Amazon's international marketplaces. The product is identified from one country to another thanks to its assigned number. Reviews and comments are then shared across all marketplaces, not just the marketplace where the product was purchased.
Let me introduce you to the program called Amazon Vine. It is a service that belongs to Amazon. Sellers can subscribe to this service and have their products tested by consumers selected by Amazon. The products are shipped for free to these testers, who will have to give a review in exchange. Testers are not paid and are chosen by invitation only. It is not possible to apply to become a tester. These reviewers are selected by Amazon based on their ranking and their usefulness in getting honest and unbiased reviews. Their feedback can be positive or negative. Sellers can submit their product to Amazon Vine, provided they have already obtained 30 reviews. Amazon Vine reviews and comments tend to be harsher than Amazon's natural buyer reviews. Originally, the Amazon Vine program was charged $2,500 per ASIN product. Today this program is free. So why not take advantage of it?
In your Seller Central, for each order, you can press a button called Request a Review. Amazon will send an email to the customer asking for his opinion about your delivered product. This button is the best way for a seller to get his first reviews for a new product. This button allows you to get reviews while respecting Amazon's guidelines. This is the minimum that can be done by a seller who does not have strategies in place to get reviews. If you make a number of sales for several products, it can be tedious to click on the Request a Review button for each order. In the long run, you might forget, not find the time or the patience to click on this button every day for each sale. You can then use the follow-up application from Helium 10. As we have seen before, you won't have to go through each order and press the button. You will simply set up the follow-up application so that a stream of emails is automatically sent to your customers. You can set the trigger, which could be the delivery date, choose if it's a new customer or a regular customer, select the ASIN of your products. The possibilities are endless. It will only take you a few minutes to set up. And you won't have to do anything else. Thanks to Helium 10, you are on automatic pilot. You can spend your time developing your business, finding new winning products and new suppliers. You will find in the description of this video a link to the Helium 10 page and its discount codes.
You're in a hurry to succeed on Amazon FBA. The Amazon FBA Mastery training from just one dime will guide you to success without any detours or time wasting. The goal is to enable you to make your first sales quickly, without failure, without financial loss. The Amazon FBA Mastery Training Program is the result of many years of experience in selling on Amazon FBA and in e-commerce. In this training, Seth Neep explains step-by-step his techniques and strategies to build your brand, your products, and succeed on Amazon FBA. This course is one of the best courses in the world. You'll see it for yourself. This training consists of 5 extremely complete modules, plus 7 free modules, for a total of over 200 videos. You can see the details of this training by clicking on this next video, or by following the link, which you will find in the description of this video.